What's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's December 16th. It's Nick the Piker's birthday. It's about 45 degrees out. It was colder last week, so this week the pike should be biting with this warm front that came through. Fishing my favorite river. So stick with me, stay tuned, and let's get them. Alright, I'm fishing a stretch I haven't fished in a long time, so I really don't know what to expect here, but we're going to give it a try. I'm going to start with worm lure, jointed, as always. But what am I going to use first is the question. I think I'm going to use the jointed lure first, just to see what we got. I haven't really fished this spot in a long time, so things change. Let's see what we got. Cast number one. There should be pike biting today, especially now that it warmed up after it was cold for a little while. Fish should be looking to eat something. Hopefully that is correct. Hopefully I am correct. I don't know how well they'll be able to see this lure. Water looks a little dirty stained, but water levels aren't up too high, so they should be looking for something. Got lots of tangly brush piles along the shore, which is always good. Always look for structure. Got this big log right in the river right here. It's perfect. There should be something sitting right there. You would think. A fish on this, I'm gonna be in trouble. Oh, I just felt something. I think it was just a stick. Oh, look. Found a stickfish. Alright. It's treacherous getting to this little spot here, but I think the risk is gonna be worth it. With some reward, I think. I got a good area to fish pretty hard right here. I'm gonna just post up here and see what I can catch. I think I'm gonna start with the worm lure though. Maybe not. Let's start with the pike lure, see what happens. This is usually underwater, so it's cool. I can get to it. There's got to be fish here. There's no doubt that there's fish here. There have to be. I'm just going to work this area as hard as I can for a little while. Try out some different things, see what works, if anything works. Oh, I had a fish stab. He stabbed at it hard, dude. He didn't feel any hooks though. He just darted in and darted out. I knew there'd be fish over here. It looked like a pike too. He stirred up the dirt. I don't know if he'll be back. Hopefully he is. Might have to move on. It doesn't seem like I'm catching anything here. Not looking good. Whatever did bite over here ain't biting again. Alright. On the other side of the bridge, let's see if there's any smallies or anything at all. I'm going to carefully walk across these rocks. See if I can't cast along that deep side and get something to bite. It's worth a try. It's definitely worth a try. Oh, there we go. Finally got something. What is it though? It's pulling drag. I gotta tighten it up. What is it? Oh, looks like a pike. Yeah, it is a pike. I gotta get to a spot where I can grab him. Alright. So Nick doesn't get skunked on his birthday. Alright. Don't break me off. Looks like we shouldn't get broken off here. It's just a little pike, but hey, no skunk on my B-day, baby. He's decent for the river. Oh, get up there. He's trying to get away from me. No, sir. Alright. I caught a pike, finally. On my birthday. Ooh, right through the middle hook in his nose. I'll take it, baby. I'll take it. That's your average river pike right there. Don't bite me. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you, dude. Come on now. Let me help you. She's biting hard. Open up, bro. Open up. He won't open his mouth. What are you trying to do to me here, little man? I want to get this out as fast as possible, and you're not helping by biting down. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Oh, now he's biting again. I got the hook, though. Don't ruin my lure, dude. I'm trying to get you free here. And you're ruining my lure by biting down. It's loose. Your nose is bleeding a little, but you're alright. And there it is, folks. My birthday pike. It took a little work, but hey, it paid off. Because there we are. Thanks for the battle, little man. He's decent. I'd say he's 22 inches is about right. Fish number one was a pike. Sweet. So they're biting. It's official. Just took a little searching, a little changing the lures, snagging some trees. Oh man, he did a number on this lure though. Darn. He tore my lure up nice. Hopefully I can still salvage this thing. Looks like I can. Looks like it'll work. Yeah, buddy. It'll still work. Yes. It will. And that guy was under the bridge. Sweet. Alright. Sweet. So this mission wasn't a total failure. Let's see if I can catch another one. I'm going to stay in this spot for a few more casts just because there might be more. He was right under the bridge. That was cool. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I'm going to be adding to yesterday's video with today's video just because I only caught one pike on my birthday. Have some free time today, so I'm going to try and add to that. Let's see what we can do. Stick with me, stay tuned. And of course, we're on this Plains River. Let's see what we can get. Let's get them. Alright. I'm just going to continue on the same way I was working it yesterday, but today I'm in a spot I like a little bit more. So yeah, see if we can keep this fishing going today. The weather is nice again compared to what it usually is at this time of year, so just going to take full advantage of it. The spot I fished yesterday I haven't been to in a while, and the action wasn't as good as it could have been, but hey, I didn't get skunked on my birthday, so day after my birthday, let's see what they do. Yeah, some busy beavers in this stretch of river, man. I just walked downstream and there is trees chewed up everywhere. I gotta be real careful not to stand under one. It's gonna fall over. But I have not fished back here in a long time. It's sketchy. There's high banks, but I bet you it's full of fish. I can't fish it here. I gotta find a spot I can fish from and actually be able to land them. I'm gonna walk this way a little further. I mean, there's spots that look like I might be able to get away with it. Like this right here, maybe, but we got brush in front of us, which is no good either. But it gets lower as I go further down. So, I mean, look at this tree. I think I could push this one over myself. Look at this one. Look at that. That's fresh too. Let's see. Oh, nope. It's crazy. Beaver will get it though. It's crazy, man. Alright, I'll be back when I find a spot I can fish. Alright. To a spot I can actually fish. Bank-wise anyways. I have not been back this way in at least 10 years. It's probably been longer than that. So it's hard to get through here. So my guess is nobody else is fishing here because it's easier to just fish where you can get to easily. So maybe we'll find a giant pike that hasn't seen anybody for a while. It's worth a try. It's definitely worth a try. I feel like there's going to be some action back here. I'm hoping. There's a nice tree right there. It looks like there's decent structure downriver of me too, so if I just work it from here down, we may find something. We're gonna find a pike. Curious to see what's down further now. It's like a whole new world out here. I would say it's like I've never fished it because it's been so long. So I'm gonna find something good back here. I feel it. If there's no fish here, don't call me Nick the Piker. I feel like there has to be fish here. There has to be. This is ideal. It widens out. There's brush. It's slack. There's slack water. All things say fish. So let's see. Let's see. There's got to be a pike sitting in this. Gotta be. Even a little one. Why wouldn't there be a pike in here? I don't get it. There has to be. I just saw a fish swim off. Looked like a bass. So there is fish back here. It's just a matter of, I'm gonna have to use the worm lure again. And you're gonna bite on this. Whatever fish that was, started off this way. I don't know if I should throw the worm lure out there a minute. Oh, there's one. He swiped and missed. All right, that looked like a decent sized one too. No, you didn't just lose your lure on that. No, come free. Oh, thank God it came free. Let's see if that pike is still hanging around here. Took a stab. Come on, pike. Take another stab at it. Take another stab at it, Mr. Pike. He's got to still be around here. He didn't feel any hooks. So I don't know if he'll bite on this. I want to try and get him a few casts on this first. Then I'll break out the worm lure and see if he takes that. But he took a stab at it. Just don't know where he went off to. But he's got to still be around here. I'm gonna get him. I saw his tail. He looked decent. Looked like he was at least 24 inches, so. I dug around in my bag and I found another one with a pink tip, so that pike should be biting this. I caught a pike yesterday on this lure. I'm gonna get my net right by me because I have a feeling this pike that I saw, if he's still here, he's gonna eat it. The pike yesterday ate it. Oh! Okay, so he bit on it, but I missed it. Almost took my lure in the face. And I got snagged in the trees instead. I'll take that over taking a lure in the face. Oh, come on. Ah. All right, well, let's try that again. He's got to be around here somewhere. I know he wasn't over there because he bit over here, so I think he's in by this brush pile. There's no way he left the area. There's no way. He's still here. You just gotta find him. Just gotta dangle his worm in front of his face without losing it. There's so much brush everywhere. It's high risk. Oh, there he is. I got him that time. Oh, and he broke me off. Damn it. Oh no, he just got off. Okay. Whew. Okay. Damn. Alright, well, he's probably not going to bite again. I didn't just do that. Damn it. Okay. Did I just break it? Damn it. Well, I just broke. It's been a fun one here today. Sheesh. Nothing but snaggy, snag, snag. Swimming a little wacky, but I don't mind that. I don't mind it swimming wacky at all. Okay, that's it. I'm done. That's it for me, folks. I'm just snagging everything in sight. Oh yeah, that's it.